What brought me to 1P algorithms in the first place was curiosity. Right? The curiosity to find out if with being able to leverage someone else's money, also not having to actually look at a chart, having a small experience in trading with the Forex, I wanted to try to find an opportunity that would be profitable, but at the same time, it wouldn't take up all of my day. And that's what you get with 1P algorithms. And the reason that you're able to get that is a couple things. Number one, from my experience of trading with the strategies that 1P algorithm has over the past 2 months, I've experienced a couple things. Number one, it's cost efficient, right? It's very cost efficient, but you still have the possibility to make very good profits, and it doesn't take a lot of time of your day. You can take a look at the strategies, the strategy schedule, meaning what time, what strategies are trading, what's the percentages that they're winning, how much of a risk that you have involved, and also how much of a reward that you have involved with each strategy that they have on the platform. So that's the part that I enjoy the most. It doesn't take all day. You can take 1 hour out of your day or less and think about, hey, I want to run this strategy. And it's not a strategy where I've had to actually hop on there, read the charts, and do all of the manual things myself. It's about trusting the strategies that 1P algorithms provides, and that's been the beauty and what I've experienced with them. Now, my trading experience before I came to 1P algorithm was, again, Forex. And that was in the regular Forex and also the HFX, which is the options in the Forex market. So I just found that this here was a way that I could cut some time, also cut some effort, and also you're getting expertise from strategies that are already working. So all you have to do is follow strategies that are already working. Now, as far as my results, there've been, and I'm gonna just be honest, I've had some very good results. I've had some down results, but overall, I would say that I have had more ups than downs with the 1P algorithm with their strategies. And now it's really, I'm on it every single day. Every single day, Monday through Friday, I'm looking at ways, which strategies am I going to be trading? What are the percentages? What am I willing to risk? And it's been very, very profitable to the fact of now this it's going to become an additional stream of income to what I do on a daily basis, and it doesn't take all day to do it. If somebody was on the fence about, let's say, why should I do it and why not? Well, nowadays, most people are looking for ways to make more money in giving as little effort as possible. Well, this is one of the ways that you can accomplish both of those things in one. Like I said, you don't need more than an hour to actually enable the strategies and let them work. You can go about your day and let it work. If you want to sit there and watch it, you can, but this is the biggest aspect of it that I like. And how do you understand? You don't have to be an experienced trader. That's also what I like about it. They provide you all of the information that you need. Again, what strategies to run, on which days of the week to run them. You have access to an analyzer that will tell you which days out of the week each strategy performs its best. And then also you have the information of what percentage it wins at, which percentage it loses at, and what rate, at what reward, what is the risk, what is the reward of each strategy that we have. And overall, I want to share this information with as many people as possible that will listen. I mean, if you have an opportunity to put a smaller portion of money down to be able to gain a big profit, and this is on a monthly basis, and you're not having to put a lot of time into it, I think that most people would want to at least be curious enough to hop in and explore it for a month and see what the results are that you get, and then you can decide from there. But for myself, I'm very pleased with it. I hope that many of you take the same opportunity that I have.